everyone and Happy New Year. So for today's video I thought I would start the new year off with a study with me, as loads of you guys have been requesting one of these recently and I haven't done one since last year. So right now I was actually doing a geography fact sheet. I was just going through and highlighting all of this as this was part of our homework. It was the extension task and it was the last thing I needed to do as I completed the rest basically at the beginning of the Christmas holiday, so this is all I had left to do. So this just took me about like 15 minutes just to read through and highlight anything important. Once I'd finished that, I then moved on to some sociology as I have an assessment tomorrow, so I need to do a little bit of revision for that. So I just went through all the flashcards I'd already made and just went and tested myself on them. So I'd just look at the name and then recite everything that I could remember off the back of the flashcard, turn it over and just double check. And if I didn't know one of them or whatever, I would just put it in a separate part and just kept testing myself until I knew. I think it was at this point my card did become full, so that's why I did spend a little bit longer on this than it probably looked. And then after that I actually found this method timeline which we'd already made in class, and I realised there was a load of sociologists on there that didn't have flashcards. So what I did is I went and made them into some flashcards, and I did this like per subculture because otherwise it would have been like 20 different flashcards with like 2 sentences on the back each. So that's what I just did after that. If you're wondering, I think flashcards are one of the best things to use to revise for topics like this and also subjects like this. It's literally the most helpful thing ever. So yeah, here's the timeline I was talking about. Very colourful. I made this in class. I was pretty impressed with myself because usually classwork isn't that neat for me. But yeah, that's when I just got all the stationery and we went for the flashcards. over all the new flashcards I had made, as I didn't really remember much from the lesson as it was so many weeks ago. But yeah, again, I just did that same process of reading it over, making sure I knew everything, and I just continued this for a little while longer before having some lunch. And then this is the last clip I managed to get, as I didn't realise how much footage was actually on my memory card and how little battery my camera had. But I actually just went back to geography, and these were the notes that I'd made over the Christmas holidays already for my homework. So then what I did is I turned them into flashcards, as I usually do this every week when we get set the homework. I put them onto flashcards, so anything like keywords, definitions, processes, anything like that will be on a flashcard ready for me to learn. So I just thought I may as well do this now, otherwise I'll forget and be behind on my schedule for that. So I just went and did that for week 1 and 2. Enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below for more study with me's and some beauty, fashion, lifestyle revision, all that kind of content. I also have some really exciting videos coming up in the next 2 weeks, including a what I got for my birthday, as my birthday is next Sunday on the 13th. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye.